I said I have hacks.
What?
I'm just joking.
Bro thought he was WS10. DeAndre, tingnan mo. Bro thought he was WS10. Hey, yo! Don't tell me you are not gay. Are you gay? Oh my god.
I said I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I know you here. Hello.
Hello.
How did what? What? Let's join another service.
You know what? You.
Yo, what the?
What the hell? Oh my god. Ha? Wala ko nakikita. Eh. Yeah. Bro. I don't know. It's 10. 10 Robux. Okay. Everybody, me and my friend have chaos. What's up? It's Quandale Dingo here. Quandale Dingo.
One day.
Kumalala sa besta.
The baby. Guys, look me.
Kumala sa besta. Dance number 3.
What?
Dance number 3. But yeah, Bashibara. Kumala, I know you.
Oh no, I'm gonna
Yeah. Kumala sa besta.
Yeah, I'm right there. Where are you, nice boy?
You walk right past me.
I'm gonna kill you.
No, you are not. I am unknown.
Oh, I know where you. I know where you. I'm gonna kill you. Come in. Come in.
Bro, you give me goosebumps.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh wait, there was a cockroach. There was a cockroach. My cat just scared me. My cat just scared me.
Last
Kumalala. Why do you give me a jump scare? You jump scared me. Jump scare. Bro.
I'm invisible.
Look,
I'm invisible, that's it. You thought that was me. I'm gonna kill you.
what the heck?
I'm right here.
Bend down and let me tickle you. Yacht. Yacht. Humalala, humalala, sa vesta. Rooting sir a creep. Rooting sir a creep. Hey, yo! Bro, I did accept. Humala, humala, sa vesta. Right, you teleported.
What?
You teleported. You are here. You are there. I'm innocent.
Oh no.
Don't you know that
Let's go down the hall.
the red guy is the murderer?
Okay. Listen,
Ayo,
let's go to the hall.
to the moon.
Bye bye.
Hey yo! Oh my. Hey! Everyone like and subscribe.
Subscribe to me.
No, oh,
No, there's subscribers.
no.
I have subscribers. I have setting.
Every red, G, red and blue. Red and blue. Red and blue. I'm innocent again.
No, why you follow me? Why you follow me? Why? No, why are you doing that?
Did you see the murderer?
I'm gonna kill you. What is this?
I don't know.
Asal, get here. Emergency lockdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to kill you.
This is a bomb. This is a bomb.
Finally.
No, the murderer is behind me. Hello.
The murderer. Stop moving.
What?
Stop moving. Okay, they see your hat. Eh. Oh my god, it's Goku Gojo.
I just disappeared.
Disappear.
I just disappeared.
Disappear.
I said,
Oh my god. GG naman. Oh my god.
I,
Oh, this is where the gun and the knives made. Look at this. Ano?
I said,
Ano?
stop recording.
Okay. Hindi naman tayo naririnig.
This account where I am. I said,
Ano?
yung nasa account ko itong hacker,
Ha?
yung may-ari na itong account.
Hacker? That's cool. Yep. Bad. Yeah.
We go.
We go. Pwede ba mag-fish? Fish. Fish. Fishing.
Yes.
Fishing. Fishing.
Ayang doglab doglab.
Ayam da glob logak galap da swabo double babu wala figure galap ayam da slipo grip okay ayam da ni sa na umaga. So everybody, um,
Ang layo mo pala. Sino ba? Naghintay ka. Sabi ko, te, kung sa Laguna mag-aaral, ganun din ang layo.
Okay, guys, I am back. Me and my friend just have a little bit of fun. Okay, now we are back. Sorry for the wasting time. Now we are going back to Blood Strike. I am sorry. Well, I'm gonna get my Yakult. I'm gonna be right back.
Kasi bakit naman nagsiswear? Lagi ka naman nagsiswear. Huwag na ako pinamit sa check. Ako? Oo! Girl ka pa naman! Tsaka nabasa ko yung mga check. Sabi sa akin yung mami ni Ate Novi. Ano? I said, sige ka Mary Jane mo. Ano? Mag-check ka ng bad words. Si Ate Novi. Sure ka? Di ba sinabihin na kita dati? Natatawag yung mami ni... Kahit kanina hindi ka pwede magsabi dahil napagalitan ka ng mami nila. Ay, tumawag na pala ang mami ni Akinaw. Hazel?
Opo.
Offend talaga siya.
Okay, I'm back.
Yun na be. Malempe talaga siya. Talaga? Oo.
Waiting players to join.
Para sa kanila din.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mga class mo nila ako sa Sir Cosme. Sir,
Let's go.
Sir Cosme. Sabi niya Sir Cosme, anong bomba na? Mamaya mag-alarm yan sa kwarto niyo. Patay niyo sa akin. Bomba na. Ano yung mag-alarm? Di ba uso? Oo.
Not trying to be toxic, I'm just hardcore. I know everybody hates that. But don't you know Stud from Taguber Gang? No, he's the best of sniper. I'm trying to get his combos. Because, bro, he's unstoppable with that sniper. I'm gonna drink. Oh, hell no. Bro. I think I squeezed my drink a little too hard. That just cracked. Oh my god. Who are the teamers? Oh my god. I hate back shots. How? Oh my god. Bruh.
double po price mo.
He's not the best. Bro think he's the best. Yeah. That's what you get, bro.
No? Pagdating doon, nagagawin ko
I will not run away.
Totoo, sa siba ang pagkaan sa cellphone. Online sa akin yun. So, parang ngayon yung tanong ko kami. Kilala ko siya tapang na nalian. Nakakasalita ba yan? At ikaw na pa kasi yun ha. Alam siya.
Us here.
Lang siya sa Facebook. Eh, dati sa isa vlog, sila kita pa ng picture. Pero ang video kita mo lang nakakalaman.
I was supposed to be a sneaky one. But one of the hard... But the pros replaced me. Oh, hell no. Yeah, I know he's there. No, he just went upstairs. But that's why I hate the gun. I hate my gun. Oh my god.
Sis, kakambal ng pagiging property. OH. OH ka.
Bro. I'm supposed to be the sneakiest, but you don't know why I am crying. Oh my god.
Parang wow, ang dami niyang invited.
Kami hindi,
Sis, ako naman, dalawa yung mga.
kami hindi mo pinagpita.
You know what?
Sino ka?
These guns are the worst.
Karabatan ko eh. Pag-alit ko, maganda ka.
Ate Chona talaga siya.
Yes!
Sa akin ka.
I didn't know it was
Siguro,
an assault. Eh,
si Ana, pinag-aaral niya.
bro, that's why I hate it. I hate.
Which is naman.
I hate these.
Mama, nagano. Kali ako ngayon isa. Ayusin ko.
Mag-sip.
I hate these. But I love it. Because sometimes I'm going to be victory.
Kapag ako is-sleep, wala siya.
My head just bumped in the wall.
Sister, sinabi ko na kayo na.
Na. Si Alex.
Yung
Oh my god, this is boring.
Siguro yung pera ko. Kunin niya mo.
Kanino nga, ubinisip ko mga utang. Sabi, wala na natira sa pera. Kasi meron ko lang.
Kakaswerte lang ito ka. Ano yun?
Ha? Ano ba yun? Ano ba kasi yung nagsabi sa papa?
Oh my god. Wait, I'm not. I'm number 3. Okay.
Siya pinag-worry na ako. Ang pinagtata.
Panggala natin.
Oo. Kaya sis, tinapin ko na yan kasi sa birthday ni Papa, hindi
Ano,
pa
someone's here? Bro, I knew it. I knew it.
Yung 2K na yun, yung pinagayo niya.
I know. I knew it.
Dito na ba natin?
Oh my god. Phew!
Balik ko na mga tayo.
Sheesh.
Masarap kumain ng fresh. Sister, bumili ka ng
Sprite.
Oh my god.
Okay, magpika lang.
37.
Ang Coke. 75.
Sigma, yes. Don't look at me with those eyes, bro.
Because he's... Yes.
Bro.
Version na lang kaya tayo. Makalabas na. Para ano, may pang...
Hahaha.
Pili ko po muna sa
Don't you know I feel sick today?
Magkakauwi lang galing province kasi
Keep the eyes on a target.
Basta anong ano mo? Friday. Ay, Sunday. Ay, ba? Sunday tayo. Friday or Sunday. Kasi pag Friday, may natin Saturday. Eh, sabi mo hapon lang. Yan.
itatanong ko muna. Pinag kasi umaga tapos.
Why are they always teaming on me? Renegade.
May ensayo Saturday. Friday, Saturday. Sunday tayo.
Oh my god. Bro, great timing.
Paano nga sis?
Fleet and Steel. Oh my god, I hate this gun. Oh. Dang! Someone